So this is just 1 can of mushroom soup and quarter cup of milk and some onions chopped up. We got 4 thighs chicken, the paprika and garlic and onion powder, a little pepper, and a little bit of some other seasoning that I have. And I saturated the chicken with olive oil and put the spices on, and now I'm cooking it up. So I'm gonna probably leave one of these out for just to have it because I'm really hungry, and the other 3 I'll put into the mushroom. It's gonna be a broth when I get done because I'm gonna be adding some Cabernet Sauvignon wine into the. Gonna make some gravy mix with a little bit of water and a little bit of some Kentucky spiced flavor that I have that I like making gravy with. Remember, I'll be mixing that all into the crock pot, and it's on low, as you can see. Probably be cooking that for maybe 3.5 hours. This is a little trick or technique that I just have been trying to use. Get the chicken to cook thoroughly, since it's going into this crock pot anyways. All the juices, smell and all that, that's fine if it's inside the lid. I love it. So let this simmer. I've cooked this now for about 15 minutes, maybe 20. Probably another 10 minutes. Be putting it into the crock pot, and I will be making the fabulous gravy sauce to mix in. Okay, got about a minute left here, and I'm going to be adding some Kentucky Kernel seasoned flour, a little water, got some regular flour to thicken it up as I mix it, and my Barefoot Cabernet Sauvignon, and I'll be making some sauce. So I'm going to go ahead and dump this into the crock pot now. So I've got my chicken into the crock pot. I just left it on the stove for now, and I just basted this pan with some of the red wine, Cabernet, and now it's simmering. I'm going to add the flour and show you what it looks like. Okay, so got my gravy, stirred it up pretty nice, and got enough water in there. I didn't use all the flour, but didn't need to. So now I'm going to mix it all up, put it in the crock pot on automatic, and let it cook for maybe 2 or 3 hours. Okay, so I got the crock pot on automatic, and as you can see, I got it all mixed, and sure, there's a couple onions sliced up that sticking out. I mixed it up pretty good. That's fine. I prefer my onions not to be overcooked. So that's why, since the chicken's already cooked and the gravy, I call it gravy, but sauce, it's cooked. The onions and the mushroom soup really are the only things that need to simmer. Probably could eat this within 45 minutes to an hour, but I'll probably turn it down to low and I'll let it simmer for maybe 2.5 hours. And then I'll probably be making some Uncle Ben's rice and have a wonderful meal. Enjoy.